Today's video is all about Wagyu beef ribs. I reached out to my barbecue bro Brandon Hurtado and I asked him how would he cook his Wagyu beef ribs. Now I've cooked plenty of beef ribs all the way from choice to Wagyu. I just thought this would be interesting. He said no spritz, no wrap, no trim, and he said he'd roll with SPG from Sucklebusters, so that's exactly what we're gonna do. Check these beauties out. Man, these are the 3-bone Dino beef ribs, membrane on, no trim. That's good fat. Let's get them seasoned up. I'm gonna go real heavy and I'll see y'all out of the pit. There they are, nice and seasoned with that SPG. I can't wait for these guys. Look at that meat. We're gonna put them on the smoker just like this. We're rolling 250 with post oak on the Lonestar Grillz. Alright, so these beef ribs have been rolling for 2 hours at 250 degrees. It's smelling awesome in the driveway. And if you want to snag some beef ribs for yourself, check out Sucklebusters Beef Company. I'm going to link them in this video, but let's see how these ribs are looking. So like I said, set at 250, we're right in that range. Let's see how they're looking, guys. Wagyu beef ribs. Dang, look at those. Let me get them out in the sun so you can see them better. Alright, so we're starting to get a little pullback, nothing crazy yet, but that Wagyu fat on top is definitely starting to melt, starting to render, so we're going to shut this bad boy down and keep cooking. We'll check on them in 2 more hours. Alright Chad, it's been 2 hours later, time to check on these Wagyu beef ribs, and I guess this started to try and sprinkle on me while I'm cooking, but that's the beauty of having a pellet grill, I didn't even know it, so let's see what these ribs look like. Still set to 250 and rolling good. It's smelling awesome. Oh yeah. Those are starting to look real nice. See how much they've plumped up since we started cooking? So those bones are really starting to show up nicely. And it's smelling awesome. That fat's rendering. We got a nice color on our ribs. I'm gonna go ahead and probe them and just see where we're at. All right. 168. 174, 166. Man, these are gonna be delicious. I'm gonna let them roll for about another hour and a half, maybe an hour, and we'll see where we are then. Also, I didn't mention earlier, but I'm rolling with some B&B post oak pellets, and you just wanna make sure to keep that evened out so we don't develop a hole where the auger actually pulls the pellets into, because then the pellet grill will stop heating up, and that's pretty much the only downside of a pellet grill, so I'll check with y'all in an hour. The hardest part, guys, is just be patient, because man, do I want to pull those Dino ribs right off my smoker and start resting them right away, but they're not quite probe tender, so I'm not going to pull them off yet, but they're still rolling strong on the Lonestar Grillz right there. Check out that M&M smoker. Y'all look out for some content on that one coming soon, but I'm gonna wait till the ribs are done before I show you what they look like, so next time they will have rested and we'll give them a try. Alright, so I'm 5.5 hours rolling at 250 degrees on the Lonestar Grillz pellet grill with some B&B post oak pellets. We're done. These ribs have rested for about 40 minutes. Pulled them right around 200 degrees internal. I realized I never mentioned that earlier, so. Oh man, look at that beef rib, guys. This looks insane. Check that out. Let's give it a taste. I mean, look at this, right off the bone, guys. That's crazy. My hands are messy. Appreciate y'all for watching. If you like this, leave me a comment. Until next time, peace. Y'all keep on barbecuing. Later, y'all.